Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer you this stunning Kawasaki Ninja 650, registered the 9th of August 2022 on a 22 plate with only 1,304 miles and presented in the desirable Kawasaki Race Team livery. This one owner from New Example benefits from service history and must have anodized sport levers. The familiar 649cc parallel twin has proved hugely successful and popular. It's a punchy engine, and the Ninja's chassis is lovely, light, slim, nimble and fun to throw around. It's easy to see why they are the go-to bike for those competing in the Mini Twins Championship or those looking to cut their teeth on a first sports bike. The Ninja 650 is also A2 compliant if required and is adorned with an easy-to-read and navigate color TFT dash with Bluetooth connectivity. This desirable sports bike will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT and comprehensive PDI inspection and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.